Grade 7, Month 1, Week 2, Day 2. Let's start by logging on to our ELE account. Then let's start with English. Week 2, Day 2, Story Writing. So we read a story about the Silk Route, and now we will write our own story. Write the following story topics on a small paper. Then fold the paper and put them in a basket. Make a team of 3 classmates and choose a leader. The leader of each team shall pick up the paper from the basket. Now each team shall work together to write a story on that topic. So if you don't have a team, don't worry, it's only you. Now write these 4 topics and put it in a basket. And then twist the basket around and pick one paper, one note. You get any topic from these 4, and that topic will be your story writing topic. You will have to write a story about that. Now before writing the story of that topic, we will watch a video on how to write a story. Watch the story writing video and start by brainstorming. So today we have to do only brainstorming of that story. After doing brainstorming, which means listing out the ideas about the topic that you got, your day 2 for week 2 is done. Our next lesson is for mathematics. Day 2. Understand and solve the complement of a set. Last time we have discussed about difference of 2 sets. Today we are going to discuss complement of a set. So today our topic will be complement of a set. We will start by watching its video. It's a 4-minute video which will help us understand the universal set and set complements. We will read some examples, solution, we have about 4 examples which we will read, and at the end we will do an activity. So we have 2 activities here, 2 questions. Bring out your copy to answer them both. If U is equal to and F is equal to, then find F. So we have to find the complement of the sets. After answering these 2 questions on your copy, your day 2 for mathematics is done. Our next subject is of history. Week 2, Day 2, the largest religion in the world. We'll start by watching this video, Top 5 Biggest Religions in the World. This 4-minute video will show us different and 5 top religions in the world. Then we will do some reading. Look at a picture. Then read about what do Christians believe. You will read about the Christian beliefs, and then we will do an activity. Religions around the world. Think. Take 10 minutes to quick write to address the question, what is religion? After writing, share responses in a small group or with partner. Okay, now this needs a lot of thinking. You have to take 10 minutes and answer what is religion. What is religion to you? When you hear the word religion, what do you think of? You have to write that, or you can discuss it with anyone at home or school. In a lesson on world religions, I would like to learn more about. And then your second question is, what would you like to learn more about? In our week 2, day 2, we are learning about different religions around the world. तो आपका religions के बारे में क्या interest है या क्या आपको दिल करता है आप उनके बारे में और information जमा करें? Is it more religions? Is it what is religion? It can be anything. It can be why is religion made? It can be anything. Something interesting. And then we have to answer these 2 questions. These 2 questions were verbal questions. So these 2 questions were verbal. You have to talk about them with your family or at anyone at school. And these two questions are written. Our first question is, do you think religions relate to history? You can give example from subcontinent or Saudi Arab. So we have to tell what does history, I mean what happened in the past in the subcontinent. Did something happen which made Islam more popular there or less popular? What does history have to do with religion? How did a religion shape or change Israel? How did it change Israel, a country? How did it affect the religion? How did it affect Israel? You have to explain that. After doing this activity, your day 2 for history is done. Our next subject is science. Week 2, day 2, diseases of the digestive system. We have to watch a video. Watch till 3.30. So we have to watch this video till right here. That's it. Then we have to do some reading. Then look at a picture which will help us about healthy diet. And at the end, do an activity. Use the internet to find out more about BR80 diet. So you read about BR80 diet, didn't you? Yes. So we have to find out more about that. Go to Google and search this diet right here. Okay, after searching it, note it down on your copy. After doing this activity, your day 2 for science is done. Next subject is geography. Week 2, day 1, population growth around the world. We will read about the population growth around the world. Look at some pictures. These are some graphs which will tell us about the population growth. Then read a grid. Understand more. And at the end, we have an activity. Bring out your copy. So we will start. The population growth in China has increased since 2000. Comment. What do you think? Why it increased? Did it increase? Yes or no? How did it increase? What was the reason? Next, we have to draw the graph of the population growth rate of Pakistan from 1980 to 2017. So we have a graph right here. We have some information. We have to use this information and make a graph like this. Copy the following chart in your notebooks, research and fill the boxes. So next we have to make this grid on our copy and then write the population growth rate in 1960. It was this. So we have to find out for 1970, 1980, 1990, 2010 and 2017 we have right here. So after researching these population growth rates and writing them on your grid, your day 2 for geography is done. अब हम अपना उर्दू का काम करेंगे, तख्लीकी लिखाई। तख्लीकी लिखाई लिखेंगे, वीडियो देखेंगे, इसके बाद अपने खुद की तख्लीकी लिखाई करेंगे, मज़मून लिखेंगे। इस मज़मून लिखने के बाद हमारे पास एक और एक्टिविटी है, होमवर्क, जिसको आप थोड़ी देर बाद भी कर सकते हैं, जब आपको ब्रेक के बाद या जब आपको दोबारा टाइम मिले। इस एक्टिविटी को करने के बाद आपका उर्दू का काम ख़त्म होता है। Our next subject is a course. We have to do week 2. It has total 7 videos. We have to divide them in 5 days. Take your time and do this week 2. You can watch 1 or 2 video about skating. And then your week 2 for grade 7 is done. For more lessons, contact on this number. Allah Hafiz.